Please don't break. Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of the caster build. If you haven't checked out part 1 yet, I will link it in the video card or in the description or somewhere so that you can check that one out first. So here it is. Alright guys, we are back here the next day. The primer actually turned out pretty good, so we're just going to keep it on there for now because I don't have any paint to paint with. So the first thing we're going to do is stick these up onto the car, tighten them down. We're going to measure the distance between them, cut a pole, tack it in place, weld some of it, pull it out, weld the rest of it, primer it, and just got to wait for it to dry, put the casters on, and it'll be 100% functional. So that's what we're looking forward to. Alright, we are currently sitting in the engine bay with this light pointing bright at my face, and it's very bright. However, we're going to go ahead and fit this doohickey in between these two doohickeys. Yes, those are actual words. Just don't. Okay? We're going to make sure that they're level, mark where they're at, and I kind of fit them in there before, and the primer comes off pretty easy. What a surprise, right? When you scratch it up with metal, that it comes off pretty easy. Oh yeah, that Port 15 cleans up so well. If you haven't seen that episode, check it out. It'll be in the card, wherever it is. Alright guys, so I re-put the primer on there and I attached the casters and it turned out really good. Here it is. So we're going to toss that in the car real quick and jack it up and hopefully it doesn't break. It is now time for the moment of truth. Please don't break. Woo! It worked. Alright guys, the car is under its own weight. Well, kinda. But it works, and it's going to be a big help when we have to get everything else out of the back. So that's coming soon. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to drop a like on the video if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe for future content. We got a lot coming for the Z. A lot of cool stuff coming in the mail. And don't forget to share with friends that you might think like this. Maybe even not friends that might like this. Yeah. So I will catch y'all next time.